अध्यापिका ने क्या कहा? What did the teacher say? What did the teacher say? अब इसे क्या बताऊं? What should I tell him now? What should I tell him now? वह तुमसे मिलेगी। She will meet you. She will meet you. जब मैं जोर से कहूँगा अध्यापिका। When I will say loudly teacher. When I will say loudly teacher. वह मेरे सामने आ जाएगी। She will appear in front of me. She will appear in front of me. तुम मुझे छेड़ रहे हो। You are teasing me. You are teasing me. मैं जान से मार दूंगी। I will kill you. I will kill you. तुम सही समय पर मिल गए। You met me at the right time. You met me at the right time. मुझसे इतना ज़रूरी काम क्या है तुम्हें? What important work you have got for me? What important work you have got for me? जा और इसे तबेले में बांध दे। Go and tie him in the shed. Go and tie him in the shed. बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा था जल्दी आने के लिए। बैंक मैनेजर asked me to reach early. बैंक मैनेजर asked me to reach early. मैं जानवरों के साथ नहीं जाता। I don't go with animals. I don't go with animals. तुम क्या कह रहे हो? What are you saying? What are you saying? तुम्हारे पापा ने सही काम दिया है। Your father gave you the right job. Your father gave you the right job. बकवास बंद कर और चल। Stop this nonsense and walk. Stop this nonsense and walk. वह बेशर्म है। He is shameless. He is shameless. तुम बैल के साथ कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you taking your ox? Where are you taking your ox? उसके हाथ गंदे हैं। His hands are dirty. His hands are dirty. उससे पहले तुमने क्या कहा? What did you do before that? What did you do before that? साबुन से जाकर अपना हाथ धो। Go and wash your hands using soap. Go and wash your hands using soap. क्या आप यहाँ जॉगिंग कर रहे हैं? Are you here for jogging? Are you here for jogging? इन सब का नाम फौज में भर्ती हुआ। They are selected for the army drill. They are selected for the army drill. मैं इन्हें जॉगिंग पर लेकर जा रही हूँ। I am taking them for jogging. I am taking them for jogging. मैं समझी नहीं। I didn't get it. I didn't get it. इसने क्या किया? What did he do? What did he do? इसने तुम्हारा चेहरा छुआ। He touched your face. He touched your face. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मुझे छूने की? How dare you to touch me? How dare you to touch me? तुझे छुट्टी के बारे में पता था? You knew about the holiday. You knew about the holiday. मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. उन्हें तुमसे कुछ पर्सनल काम था. She had some personal work with you. She had some personal work with you. वह होशियार है. She is smart. She is smart. क्या करें? What to do? What to do? तुम यहीं रुको. You stay here. You stay here. तुम्हारी गाय मेरे बैल को लाइन मार रही है. Your cow is flirting with my ox. Your cow is flirting with my ox. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगी नहीं. I will not spare you. I will not spare you. अगर तुम मेरी गाय का मजाक बनाओगे. If you will make fun of my ox. If you will make fun of my ox. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. तुम मूर्ख हो. You are a fool. You are a fool. तुमने इसे चाटा मारा. You slapped him. You slapped him. मैंने थप्पड़ मारा क्योंकि इसने गलत किया. I slapped him because he misbehaved. I slapped him because he misbehaved. मैं माफ़ी मांगने आया हूँ. I am here to apologize. I am here to apologize. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? उससे जल्दी माफ़ी मांगो. Apologize to her quickly. Apologize to her quickly. तुम क्या करोगे? What will you do? What will you do? अगर तुमने किसी औरत को छेड़ने की कोशिश की. If you dare to tease any woman. If you dare to tease any woman. कॉलेज में हर लड़की को ये झेलना पड़ता है. Every girl in college has to face all this. Every girl in college has to face all this. कविता कहाँ है? Where is कविता? Where is कविता? तुम एक दूसरे से बात करो. You guys talk to each other. You guys talk to each other. मैं वापस आऊँगा. I will be back. I will be back. वह बहुत सुंदर है. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. क्या तुम कॉलेज से वापस आई हो? Are you back from the college? Are you back from the college? तुम क्या पढ़ रही हो? What are you studying? What are you studying? क्या तुमने उसे कुछ नहीं बताया? Didn't you tell her anything? Didn't you tell her anything? हम बताने ही वाले थे. We were about to tell her. We were about to tell her. आपने हमें मौका ही नहीं दिया. You didn't give us chance. You didn't give us chance. क्या वह मुझसे शादी के लिए हाँ करेगी? Will she agree to marry me? Will she agree to marry me? मुझे शक है. I doubt. Thanks for watching.